Greetings, audience. Today we will be baking cookies. However, we are all impaired. I cannot hear anything, Hayes cannot say anything, and Dylan cannot see anything. So let's get this started. We got to preheat this oven to 350. Let's get that started. All right, we need to melt the butter. I'm putting that in here. Right in here.
Wait, it's not done.
All right, good stuff. All right, add 1 1/3 cups of flour into this bowl.
Yo, where's the bowl?
Put this in here. Yeah.
Can you get much higher? Do you hear that, Ace? Do you hear that? That was tough.
All right, right now we're melting the butter
Where the frick's the frickin'
inside that measurement bowl.
All right, where's the bowl? Oh shoot!
Now Dylan needs to put 1 1/3 cups of flour into this large bowl that's right under you. Yo, what? Dude, you have a measuring cup, I think. Do we have the 1 1/3 cup thing? Oh no! All right, man. All right, estimate 1 1/3 cup. Nothing's in there yet. All right. Chill.
Is it good? Is that enough?
All right, it's melting a little bit in there, but
Did I get flour all over me?
you gotta make do with what we have.
Yo, Hayes, take this from me, bro. Take this from
All right,
me.
wait, is this 1 1/3 cup?
Hayes, bro, take this from me.
Stop.
What are you gonna work with?
What?
I'm about to drop this.
Wait, chill. All right, tell Dylan what to do, or me. Oh, we need like something to grab it with.
Hayes, I'm getting flour all over you. Oh my gosh.
Dylan, I don't know what we're doing.
Oh, my nose.
Here.
Can I get off my hand?
Put 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda.
In the flour?
Oh, it's already in there. All right, I can do it.
No, let me do it.
All right, bet. Just put all of this in the bowl. All this in the bowl.
All right.
Just flip it upside down. Good stuff.
Bang.
All right, next step. After you add the baking soda, you need to add 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder.
Baking powder. Do we have that?
Which, this is salt, but add this.
All of it?
You need to add 3/4 tablespoons of salt.
I don't know how much this is.
Okay. Hayes melted the butter pretty fast, so we got that done with. No, don't grab it.
What are you?
Stop.
What's going on, bro?
All right. Be careful and just mix this bowl. Just be very careful, because it's... All right, bet. I'm going to go ahead and throw this away.
Am I mixing right? All right, bet that. Mix it.
All right, Dylan, you're good.
I'm good?
You're good.
I'm good.
Hold on. All right, chill. Reach out your right hand. All right, be very careful, and then you're gonna be holding the measurement bowl of butter. Don't spill that.
It's hot, bro.
Now hold this bowl and pour it into the bowl. All right, perfect. I got this. Now mix the bowl up. Be careful.
Oh, that butter stinks, bro.
Next thing we need is about 3/4 cups of sugar. In this case, we have brown sugar. Thank you, Dylan. Can you mix up the right side a little bit? Actually, I'll help you out.
I was just spinning around.
probably don't know what it looks like right now. It's pretty solid. Wait, what? We don't need another egg? Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, yeah, I got you. Wait, we didn't add flour? All right, we did add some flour now. So, this given recipe calls for 1 1/3 cup of flour. You good? Whew. It calls for some chocolate chips as well.
Put that junk in there.
However much you put in varies.
Give me some
with
chocolate
however
chips.
much you want. Yo. That mix. Stir.
I'm
There's a lot of chocolate chips.
I'm stirring. Hey, pull my head down. Yeah.
Lock in.
Is it looking good? I can't see.
All right, so now we're gonna mix the cookies into balls and then allow them to bake.
Mix cookies into what? Make them into balls? Oh my days, bro.
Can you mix them into balls, please? And then you're gonna place them on the pan.
Where's the pan at?
It's right in front of you. All right. They smell delectable. About 2 more cookies in there.
All right.
We'll see with the finished project in about 20 minutes.
7.
Let's get the mute man.
Back. Oh, he's getting the center.
The mute man himself.
Oh, it's so salty.
Straight from my grandma's house. Warm, fresh baked cookies. On the salty side. We'll go with a. So we're about to sneak into Mr. Kimball's room right here. Wait, get him.
That's Crimble.
Still in room.
I'll just put them.
We're here to have you rate our cookies. These are made by me, Nolan, and Dylan, and we were blind, deaf, and mute.
Blind, deaf, and mute. We're all blind, deaf,
We
and
recommend the outer edge.
Do I have to eat it?
Yes,
Yes.
you have to try this.
It's recommended, yes.
Recommended by who?
It's
By the 3 of us.
The 3 blind,
Deaf and mute.
deaf, and mute.
Well, that's the middle. We wouldn't recommend that.
You would not recommend the middle?
No, middle's unless you like it really soft. It's only real ingredients. And 1 rating as well.
What is the rating scale?
1 through 10.
1 to 10.
Okay, 1 to 10. Do I have to factor in the blind and mute part?
Yeah, that would,
Yes. Out of kindness.
I'm saying, I think it's got a good texture between well crispy and done on the outside
There we go.
and
Soft on the
a
inside.
soft, warm middle,
Whatever you like.
which is why I tried both sides.
There you go.
Lacking on sweetness a little bit. However,
We did go
I
1/4 cup less on sugar.
I was just say I do believe this is still in that 8 to 9 range. I definitely feel that way. So if I had to give it a number, I'm probably going an 8.8.
Okay.
I think it was that good.